Did you know you can create your own health bar and weapons bar in just a few minutes using Streamlabs? Let's dive in. Let's dive in and how you can make your stream stand out. In this video, you will learn how to make your own health bar using Streamlabs and enhance your stream when streaming on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Many streamers struggle with making their stream visually appealing and help give viewers more information when you're playing a game vertically, such as like what weapons or health or how many kills you have in a game. Now let's get into exploring how you can add a health bar to your vertical stream. So let's get straight on with this video. Basically, someone asked in the comments, I'll pop it up on the screen on my main channel, which is also on the bottom right here. How do I add a health bar overlay on my stream using Streamlabs? So I've downloaded Streamlabs and I'm basically going to show you, but first I'll add sources. You'll obviously do this on your vertical sources if you have it on Streamlabs. I don't have it because I use OBS and I don't really need to pay for that option. So say you'll have your webcam. If you don't have one, then don't use one. So basically that'll be, let's just pick a display. We'll just do this one for now. You'll see it repeating over and over again, but it's fine. So basically, say you have your gameplay here, but obviously you'll use game capture. Just pretend this is the game capture. I don't have a game loaded because I'm not playing a game at the moment. Anyway, say this is your game on this capture part of the screen. Basically what you want to do is go on source, go on display capture. You can do this on game capture as well, but I feel like display capture is better. It probably isn't, but it's what I use on OBS, so we'll just do it that way. So basically we go on display capture, add source, and then you can add an existing one or do it separately but on the same screen. I'm just going to do the existing one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename it to game bar, like that. Done. Obviously it'll say the same thing, but you'll be fine. So basically what you want to do is click on the source you want to change, and then what you want to do is click Alt and then just make it smaller. So say I want this mic audio bar right here. We are just going to change that. So keep on Alt, try and keep it selected. So we'll just lock that other one for a minute. Keep it on Alt. And then you just make it to the size like that. So say this is your game bar, health bar, weapons bar, kill bar, whatever you want it to be. You basically just do that, and you'll do this on your TikTok sources. Basically on your normal Twitch streams and your TikTok streams, it'll be all the same sources. It's just one will be for normal, one will be for vertical. It's all the same process. And then say if my TikTok stream was in the middle of this screen, you'd make it smaller, and then say that was my webcam, this box here, that would be where my weapons bar will be. And you just repeat this process. So you do it again the same way but on a different part of your game. Basically it's like copy and pasting, but you're adding another source with your display capture, and then you're just putting it wherever you want to put it. So that's basically it. So if I bring up my OBS, you will see me loads of times, but you'll get the point of what I mean when I show you when I'm doing OBS. So it'll probably, someone will have to send me a screenshot of what their Streamlabs looks like, but it'll look different. But see, it says vertical sources and scenes and sources. This is the normal, and then verticals, obviously the vertical stream. And you, as you see there, 1, 2, 3 is where my weapons and health bar is for when I stream Fortnite. You can do this for literally any game you want. So that's basically it. That's the tutorial. It's that simple. If you do need any more help, comment and I'll make a short helping you with that. Yeah, that's basically it. To wrap up, you now have your own personalised health bar on your stream that not only looks great, but also helps your viewers be informed on what you have in your game, health, weapons, and overall players of your game. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out other videos on the channel. and other tutorials that you may find helpful. And don't forget to leave a comment on what your thoughts are on your personalized health bar. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and also comment if you struggled with anything during this video. And I'll see you in the next one.